Today I'm going to show you how to make parallel lines. Now I've had a lot of trouble echo quilting and everything on my beautiful little 1130 Bernina. She's an old one, but she's a good one. And so what I'm going to show you is switching out a foot so that you can make larger spaces. You don't have to quilt to cardboard. So here we go. Now this is what a normal foot would do. Okay, now I've got this. If I wanted to echo quilt, there's a lot of ways to do that, but I don't want to fill my quilt up. I just want it to look good, and I want the lines to be straight. So I'm going to switch this foot out. And this, for those of you, it's a 0. And then I'm going to use the old style Bernina snap-on foot, which is right here. And we have these available. And whoever invented this was genius. And then we have a wonderful little parallel foot. And that's going to snap right on. So if you have Genomes, Baby Locks, anyone with a snap-on foot, there it is. Now you can see that this has red parallel lines on it, and this goes out inch, 2 inches. I probably need a ruler. All right, I've used this tape measure to measure, and my needle is right there where the 1 is, so this runs about 2 inches across. And this will work for the new style Berninas, and it will work for the old style when we put the adapters on it. And really all machines. So if I want to go out, I could actually go out over an inch when I do the parallel lines. So I'm going to show you how. And I love this foot. I'm crazy about this foot. On my machine, my feed dogs are up. But this, I love this so I don't have to quilt to cardboard. So I've lined this groove up, and I'm not looking at the needle or anything. I'm just lining it up with this groove. And, and of course, after I so carefully, a little lip balm. If you have trouble threading needles, you just put the thread in the groove and slide it down. Or you wear lip balm, and that will help that end of the thread. Or you can cut it at a 45-degree angle, which should guide it in. This is always the hard part. There we go. I guess I'm just old school. Don't have a needle threader on this one. Now what I'm doing is you can set any dimension here. You can put a decorative stitch on here. It won't matter as long as your needle will clear the opening, because this is designed for wide stitches and zigzags. But like before, I am not looking at the needle. I'm only guiding by this line. So let's see how we did. It's straight.
Over with your verbiage at this point.
Okay, what I'm going to do now is use this foot to echo quilt around a curve, so I can show you how easy that is. And here I'm going to guide it by this point right here and that line, and I got to bring up my bobbin thread. So I've done that. Just get it in here and anchor it. I think we're good to go. And so now all I'm going to do is just and I have my feed dogs up, and I am not looking at the needle. But look how pretty that curve is turning out to be, and I am just looking at this one point. So now what I think I'll do is, once I get past this little cloud stitches here, we'll get around the corner. Remember, be like Jello. Now what I'm going to do is go out even farther so you can see that you don't have to stitch everything just so close because you have a really small foot. So now I'm following that outer mark right here. So there you have it. So let's see how far out we are with that. So here we're 3/4 of an inch, and here we are about a 1/2 inch out, and here we are again 3/4, right? Almost. No, that looks like 7/8. And if you want to go out even farther, we'll do that. Okay, what I'm going to do is line it up with the outside edge. And the nice part about this, it goes out on both sides, so you can turn your fabric and your designs, and you don't have to be flipping and flopping. So let's see how far out we are here. And that's 7/8 exactly. So this one is 3/4. This one is 3/4. So that's perfect. And you can turn around and echo back. And this is great if you have stencils that have geometrics on them, which I do have, and those are available too as a resource. Now I'm back to 3/4. And then we'll go this way. Well, silly. I don't want to go out too far. I can guide by anywhere. Now I'm actually guiding by the edge of the foot, right here. And you can stay super accurate and very consistent and very even. I love this foot. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you on the next video from Sally Terry Designs.